May is recognized as National Mental Health Awareness Month, and our own Dua Israr gives us some reminders on how to develop healthy habits to improve our well-being.
It wasn't long ago that people were being asked to stay indoors. Nearly 3 years later, the feeling of isolation is still affecting people's mental health.
We had a massive global pandemic, which was incredibly upsetting, traumatizing, and raised our anxiety.
This month is an opportunity for people to focus on making healthy choices. May is Mental Health Awareness Month.
The proclamation for Mental Health Awareness Month is simply an acknowledgement that this is a priority for us to recognize how essential it is to prioritize our mental health.
You may want to sit back and scroll through social media. It seems like the easy option.
We're ever more increasingly isolated. In many ways, social media pulls us away, but also provides an opportunity to connect.
If you find yourself doom scrolling, set a timer for certain apps.
I will only be on Facebook and Instagram for a certain length of time.
Mental health expert Michael Surge says on days like this, take advantage of the warm weather. It can do wonders for your mental well-being.
We encourage them to go out and just, pick vegetables.
While picking up a drink may make you feel good in the moment, the long-term effects aren't. Surge says take part in sober samples. Give up alcohol for a week, a month, or even 2.
Most of the time people say, I feel so much better and I've got more money and I didn't wake up hungover in the morning. It tends to be very life altering in a positive way.
Surge says remember that asking for help is nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, according to a report from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, more Americans asked for help in 2022 than they did in 2019.
It wasn't that long ago where we would look at people who went to see a therapist as somehow weak.
So this month, Surge says get your walking shoes on and build some habits that your mind and body will appreciate. Reporting in La Crosse, Dua Israr, News 8 Now.
And if you or someone you know is struggling, you can always contact the National Mental Health Crisis Hotline at 988.